What is industrial hygiene? Industrial hygiene is concerned with identifying, evaluating, and controlling real or potential workplace environmental stressor or hazard that can affect the well-being of worker and community members. Classification of occupational health hazards. An occupational health hazard is any workplace condition that causes a risk to employee health. Chemical hazard. Chemical hazard are hazardous substances that can cause harm. Biological hazard. Biological hazard include viruses, bacteria, insects, animals, etc. that can cause adverse health impacts. Physical hazard. Physical hazard are environmental factors that can harm an employee without necessarily touching them, including height, noise, radiation, and pressure. Ergonomic hazard. Ergonomic hazards are a result of physical factors that can result in musculoskeletal injuries. OSH issues. Confined space confined space that can be more hazardous than regular workplace for any reasons. If the confined space cannot be made unsafe for the worker by taking precautions, then workers should not enter the confined space until it is made safe to enter by additional means. Indoor air quality. Indoor air quality can be impacted by many factors including pollution from machines or gases. Poor air quality can cause issues ranging from chronic coughs to severe headaches. Proper ventilation is important to ensure that fresh air is brought into the work area, and air filtering can help remove contaminants from the air. Environmental monitoring. Personal monitoring is carried out by employers to evaluate the level of exposure of their workers to hazardous materials. Area sampling. Area sampling is the measure of contaminant in the workroom. This helps pinpoint work areas with high or low exposure levels of contaminants. Biological sampling involves a measurement of changes in the composition of body fluids, tissue, or expired air to determine the absorption of potentially hazardous materials. Occupational health and environmental provision. Rule 1070. Rule 1071 General Provision. This rule establishes threshold limit values for toxic and carcinogenic substance and physical agents which may be present in atmosphere of the work environment. Rule 1072 Threshold limits for airborne contaminants. All employees exposure to any materials specified in Table 8 and Table 8A of this rule shall be limited. Rule 1074 Physical agent feasible administrative of engineering control shall be utilized when workers are exposed to sound levels exceeding specific level. Rule 1075 Elimination. All places where person work or pass may have to work or pass an emergency shall be provided during time of use adequate natural lighting, artificial lighting, or both suitable operation or special type of work performed. General ventilation. Suitable atmospheric conditions shall be maintained in workrooms by natural or artificial means to avoid insufficient air supply, stagnant or ventilated air, harmful drafts, excessive heat or cold, etc. Rule 1077 Working Environment Measurement. The employer shall exert efforts to maintain and control the working environment in comfortable and healthy conditions for the purpose of promoting and maintaining the health and of his workers. That's all. Thank you.